Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on a new hotel that is to be built in Portmore. Now, do you realize that Portmore is to become a parish? I'm not sure why it hasn't been done yet because I'm almost sure the law was passed in Parliament to make it a parish. So guys, if anybody knows what the hold up is, why it hasn't become a parish yet, let us know. Leave a comment in the section below. But if Portmore was to become a parish this year, do you realize Portmore would be the only parish in Jamaica that does not have a large hotel? Portmore is the only parish that does not have a hotel. And even though they're planning to build one, it won't be completed for a few years. So let us know what you think, guys, about that. Now we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the proposed hotel. And there's no major hotel chain in Portmore. I know you have smaller hotels on Port Henderson Road, and they're planning to turn that entire strip into a hip strip. But I don't think there's any hotel in Portmore. And Portmore, is going to become a parish very soon. So this is an excellent move to put a hotel over here. Supreme Ventures Limited, one of Jamaica's leading gaming and entertainment companies, has unveiled an ambitious US $100 million redevelopment plan for Caymanas Park, the island's sole horse racing track. This bold initiative signals a new chapter in the life of the 196-acre property located in St. Catherine, envisioning a multi-use complex that blends tradition with tourism, commercial growth, and modern lifestyle amenities. At the heart of the transformation is SVL's commitment to reposition Caymanas Park not merely as a sporting venue, but as a world-class entertainment and tourism destination. While horse racing will remain central to the complex, the company's long-term strategy is to diversify the space and its revenue streams. This aligns with international trends, where racetracks around the globe are evolving into vibrant lifestyle hubs featuring retail, hospitality, and family-friendly attractions. A standout feature of the plan is the construction of a 12-story, 3-star hotel, a first for the area and a significant step toward attracting both local and international visitors. The hotel is part of a broader commercial center envisioned for the site, offering shopping, dining, and leisure opportunities. Together, these developments are aimed at turning Caymanas Park into a multi-purpose destination, potentially hosting everything from race days and gaming events to conferences, weekend retreats, and cultural showcases. The redevelopment project is estimated at US $100 million, approximately 16 billion Jamaican dollars, with implementation planned over a 10-year period. This phased approach allows SVL to gradually build out the infrastructure while maintaining the day-to-day operations of the track. However, to fully execute this vision on its own terms, SVL is seeking full ownership of Caymanas Park, which is currently held by the government through Caymanas Track Limited. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So this is great news for Portmore. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.